In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your account on the Coffee Meets Bagel dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coffee Meets Bagel dating app, and once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can start matching right away. Now, if you wish to delete your account permanently, then you will need to go into the Me option at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on the gear icon at the top right, and this will take you into the settings page. From here, if you scroll all the way down, you will find the delete account button underneath logout. If you only want to take a temporary break, then you can use the active toggle at the very beginning, which will give you the option to pause your account. So if you think that you may change your mind later, then this might be a better idea instead of deleting your account completely. If you are sure that you want to delete your account, tap on the delete account button underneath the logout section. You will then be asked whether you are sure once again. So tap on delete my account if you are confirmed, and you may be asked to enter the verification code that is sent to your phone. Once you enter this code and confirm, you will be logged out from your account, and your account will be deleted in 30 days. If you log back in before 30 days has passed, then your account deletion will be cancelled. And that is how you can permanently delete your account on the Coffee Meets Bagel dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.